Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will walk through the process of replacing the keyboard and fans on the HP Victus 16R0020NS. To begin, you'll need a few specific tools: a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will ensure you can safely and effectively perform the repair. First, make sure your laptop is powered off and disconnected from any power source. It's also advisable to remove the battery if possible. This will prevent any accidental short circuits during the process. Next, place your laptop upside down on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Using the Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, carefully remove the back panel screws. There should be around 10 screws to take out, so keep them organized to avoid confusion later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the plastic spudger. Be cautious not to damage the clips holding the panel in place. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you might have missed. With the back panel off, you'll have access to the internals of the laptop. Start by locating the keyboard connector cable. This is usually situated near the top of the motherboard. Gently unplug it using the spudger to avoid any damage to the connector. Next, we will address the fans. They are typically secured by a couple of screws. Again, using the Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, remove these screws and carefully lift the fans out. It's a good time to perform some internal cleaning as well. Use compressed air to blow away any dust buildup around the fans and heatsink. This will help improve airflow and cooling performance. If you find it challenging to perform these steps, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you identify any issues and guide you through the repair process. Now, let's install the new fans. Position them carefully in their slots and secure them with the screws you previously removed. Then, reconnect the fan cables to the motherboard, ensuring they are firmly in place. Moving on to the keyboard replacement, align the new keyboard with the top of the laptop casing. Secure it by pressing down firmly along the edges until you hear it click into place. Reconnect the keyboard cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is seated correctly. Before reassembling the back panel, it's a good idea to perform a quick test. Power the laptop on to ensure that both the keyboard and fans are functioning properly. If everything looks good, power it back off. Now, replace the back panel by aligning it with the laptop body and pressing down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Finally, screw the back panel in with the Phillips No. 0 screwdriver. If you're not comfortable completing this repair on your own, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you won't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Plus, we provide a quote before any repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. In conclusion, replacing the keyboard and fans on the HP Victus 16R0020NS is a manageable task if you follow these steps carefully. Make sure to keep your workspace organized, and don't hesitate to seek professional assistance when needed. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution at your convenience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.